In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DeepSeek Server Is Busy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can do to fixing this problem. So fix number one is to refresh or retry. So basically this is one of the most effective ways. So wait at least 10 to 30 seconds, then do a hard refresh on the page. So to do a hard refresh is click on Control and F5 on your keyboard, and that's going to do a hard refresh. Now what happens here, this often works because demand spikes are temporary. Now, fix number two is to switch model or mode. So if you're using a heavy model like the reasoning mode, switch to a lighter one. Some versions of DeepSeek get overloaded faster than others. Now, fix number three is basically just try a different time. So if you notice that it is not working at a certain time of the day every day, just go ahead, and if that's late afternoon, just try early afternoon or lunchtime or even in the morning. Now, fix number four is to check your internet connection. So you might want to go ahead and restart your router or switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile hotspots. Fix number five is disable any VPNs or proxies running in the background. So sometimes VPNs can route through congested regions, so you just go ahead and turn it off and retry. Fix number six is to go ahead and clear your browser cache. So to do this, click on using Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on the three dots. This works for every browser. So just find the cache files in that browser. It's basically inside of settings. So click into settings, go privacy and security. To the right of this, click on delete browsing data, delete histories, cookie cache and more. From here, click onto more, click on all time, click on show more. And then we just want to make sure these two are checked and click on delete data. Next fix is to go ahead and basically try another browser. So if you've got Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, etc., sometimes extensions can cause these issues. So just use it on another browser. Now, if it is an extension related issue, we'll want to go ahead and check them out. So click on extensions, click on manage extensions. Now you want to go ahead and disable all extensions inside of here. Then come back to DeepSeek, do a hard refresh, and if DeepSeek works, that means it is an extension related issue. So we need to find the culprit. So enable these one by one and then go back to DeepSeek, refresh, and find which one is the culprit.